Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Pankaj Dhingra with us from BVG. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. It's our privilege to be there with EQ. Thank you so much.
Sir, can you just let us know about BVG, like when and how it came into the solar industry?
BVG is a company which was established about in 1997 with only 8 employees. And today we are about more than 80,000 employees in the company. And if you talk about clean energy, we segmented ourselves into clean energy about 9 years back when I joined the company in the board. And thereafter we have been progressing very well.
Sir, if we talk about the pricing, like how do you see the current pricing, demand and supply trends in the solar market itself?
The current pricing has become very competitive now. As far as the demand is concerned, we all know that we have to accomplish 500 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2030, and beyond that also there are many other projects which require renewable energy. But as far as the pricing is concerned and the domestic players coming through and more number of players like infra contractors and road contractors coming through, the competitiveness has increased quite a lot. But my only submission is that people should try to understand before they quote and they take the project, whether it is doable or not. But they are taking projects at a non-doable price today, which can be a very big catastrophe today in all the projects.
And what is your current solar module and cell production capacity?
We are presently at 600 megawatt a year, and the same factory is being further augmented to 1.2 gigawatt a year, which will be producing one of the best modules in the country today. In fact, we can vouch that it will be one of the best. Why? Because our cell breakages and the quality of soldering itself within the module will be one of the best. We have our further plans to go for 5 gigawatt of cell and 5 gigawatt of module manufacturing within the country. Once we do the cell manufacturing, we will no more be dependent on China for the cell, where we generally import from.
True, sir. Which states or regions offer the strongest growth potential?
Today, as we all know, as far as the solar is concerned, it's basically the states like Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh is upcoming now. Madhya Pradesh is also upcoming. Maharashtra is ongoing very strong. Gujarat is very strong already. Tamil Nadu is very strong for the solar and the renewable energy projects. And now coming to wind, all the southern states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, where a very high gust factor is there, they are very strong potential for the renewable energy projects.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing the information. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you, and thank you to the team EQ for this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.